Okay, today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing on this guy. This is the TreatLife 3-way smart dimmer switch, and as we can see, we got it right here. So let's just check this out. I'm going to open it up here, see what it comes with, and let's see. I'm liking it so far. I wouldn't say it's minimalistic, but definitely gives you what you need and what it promises. All wrapped up in the box here. Let's see, ready to go. Got a little warning on it. Wires ready to set up here. Looks like we'll be setting this up kind of on here with this little 3-way dimmers. And honestly, I'm not really sure I can really, I mean, I could put this up to the wall and lights, but let's just say that this thing works and works well. I think we can just safely assume that. So that concludes our review for the time.